All right, today we are making what is called a waterfall braid. It's a waterfall French braid. It's very pretty. You're going to start up top, high, kind of so you can have a line of hair falling down. And you start out just a regular French braid, break it into 3 sections, and you're going to flip this over, but instead of turning this back in, you're going to hand it over. Grace, will you grab that? And you're going to grab a new piece of hair over here, right under it, to put in instead. And you're going to do everything else the same. So we're going to start up here. I'm going to grab this, do the same, twist it over, and give her that piece to hold. I'm going to do the same over here. And see, I'm not grabbing down too far because the braids are going to hang out. So this one that comes down is going to cross over. I'm going to hold that. Same goes there, bottom. Just going to grab onto that. The more she grabs, all these pretty pieces are going to come out. More of the same. This piece comes out there. And I'm going to go underneath just a little bit, not too far down. Okay, now when you're all done, you just take it and you brush it out, fall down like a waterfall.